Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I'm back. I wanted to share with you what I had been working on in terms of completing my October daily. I mean, I haven't gotten that far, but you guys know I had gotten my book. I haven't done the cover yet. Usually I don't do the cover until after I'm done on the inside. It's just easier that way. I kind of figured out my pattern here. Usually I kind of have some kind of pattern when I'm doing my October daily. So I hope you guys can see that okay. All right, so this is again a snap binder, and it measures well, I don't know what it measures actually. Measures 8 1/4 roughly by almost 8 3/4, and it's perfect for the 6 by 8 sheets. It comes with the dividers. I did a haul on this, you guys, so you guys can check that out. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and leave the dividers in, and I will just decorate it. I've done a little bit of decorating, not that much, but these are how my pages are gonna go. I did get the different sleeves, so these are the ones with the 3 by 4 and 4 by 6 sleeves. And so for now, this is kind of how it's gonna look. I may just take one of these off, one of these cards out, and do a shaker, because I usually do that. I'll leave one empty and then put some shaker bits and then fuse it, or I can sew it. That's kind of roughly how it looks like. And then the back I haven't even finished, but you could I was thinking of maybe, you know, I can put the photos here. And then I found this cute little, and I can't remember if I made this or if this is from my friend Sophia, or if somebody had put it with my gift, but I found it in my stash and I thought, oh, that's so cute. So I went ahead and put it on there. It's like a little tag, and I just paper clipped it on there. This was also gifted to me by gosh, I cannot remember exactly who gave this to me, but this was gifted to me as well. It's just so cute, and I have it in my drawer, like, you know, little embellishments that people give me, I have in a drawer, and then I'll whip it out every once in a while and use it. And then one of my dangles, and I just put it on this little paper clip that someone had gifted me. And then so then the second page here would be the 4 by 6 and 4 by 6 page. So I'm just kind of giving you a rough look at my my October daily. So again, usually with the bigger pages I don't do a shaker. I will just decorate it and then leave some areas, like this would be for a photo, and this as well. And then the bigger pages, that's where I do a lot of my decorating as well. For now, this is just roughly how it is, and I just stuck that card in there. But this is the full 6 by 8. Is that right? 6 by 8? Yeah, it's the full 6 by 8 sheets. I mean sleeve. And so, you know, you can add, you don't have to do a whole lot with your charms. If you just want to do one charm and, you know, a little bell, you can do that. And then it comes with dividers as well, but there's only 3 dividers. So the dividers do measure pretty much similar to the same. It's the sleeve itself is 6 3/4 by I think it's like almost 8 1/2. 3/8, maybe 8 3/8. I'm thinking. So so each page is going to be like that, and so I will be covering this up. Whoops, sorry. I will be covering this up. Like, here's a glitter paper that let's just pretend this is what I'm going to use. I don't know yet. Actually, I kind of do, but this is not the paper. But I will just glue it on. And then these were the tabs, you guys. They fit perfectly in there. The tabs that came in my digital kits. And then I would just glue this like so. And then glue another. Oh, here, I put the measurement, 6 3/4 by 8 1/4. This is how I do my little tick marks, because sometimes I can't figure out, like, or I forget the measurements, like, it's like 8 1/4 plus 1 tick down, which is really 8 3/8. But, you know, sometimes I can't think that way. And so this is how I do it when I'm looking at my ruler. It's like 8 1/4 plus 1 tick down. So I will do that. I would do like a little +1, and then I know when I'm cutting my paper, okay, it's 8 1/4 and then 1 tick down. Anyway, that's just me. So so that's how I'm gonna do my pages. And like, here's another one. So yeah, so that's my pattern. So after the divider, then it kind of starts off with a full page again, like this one. And then I have my sleeves, and then I have the other type of sleeve, you know, the 2 compartments, and then the full 6 by 8, and then I have again the divider. And this is just some ideas that you can do, because I've watched Serena B Creative. I'll leave her link. She does a video on what an October daily is, and she has lots of ideas. So she is the originator of the October daily. So make sure you watch her channel because she explains it. Anyway, I found this sleeve and I thought, well, I don't want to waste it. So I put holes on it. Well, I had to adjust the hole, but this is actually designed to be in, did I cut this down? I can't even remember. I might have cut this down. Anyway, I found this sleeve in my stash, and I just like that it has the 4 by 6, but in portrait mode instead of this other one that's in what is this? Landscape. Because I do have some that are like this, portrait mode. So I went ahead and stuck that in there, and this gives you a little area where you can also put a strip of paper, which is kind of nice. And then I just kind of folded it like this so that, you know, obviously too long right here. So, and then I put one of the balloons there, just giving you guys some ideas, but that's how I would kind of just do my October daily, and then go on from there. And then it goes really fast once you have a pattern that you're doing. I mean, if you like that, you don't have to, but that's just how my brain works. So I have to have some kind of pattern. And then, so yeah, I cut a bunch of papers that's going to be, you know, I just sized it using the these sheets that are provided in the binder. So I'll just go ahead and put it like over. I size it and then put my holes, and I just use a regular hole punch because it has to be big enough I'm not putting the eyelets anymore because it's too hard to turn the pages and it drives me nuts. So I'm not going to do that. And I've used some glitter paper in between. So I don't know. I don't have the whole thing set up yet. I've blown some of the images up just to make it a bigger sheet. And yeah, so that is how it's kind of looking right now. And sorry, it's kind of, sorry for my long video, but I am going to show you what I did. What I did complete. I did another one. So here's the one I created for my October daily, and I put some eyelets so that these are bigger eyelets, and I had to because this is very thin paper. And I definitely don't want it to rip in there. And this is another idea. You can use little baggies to put in your October daily. And because that's what Serena B Creative does. She puts all kinds of different elements in there, which is really cool. And so that's what I have been doing for a few years now. So anyway, I just went ahead and put a banner and then decorated it. And then this is one of the, oh, actually this is a ready-made card from Michael's. I just covered it up with my die cuts, and then it's a card, so, but it opens this way because I wanted to be able to mat it and put a picture in there. And then there's the castle, and I kind of like that layered look. So there's that, and then we'll see. I might decorate this part, maybe not, but just to give you some ideas, that's one of the things you can put in your October daily. I wanted to also show you, I had made a little pocket letter. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've done a pocket letter. Of course, this isn't like a real pocket letter because I'm not sending it to anybody. I was gonna put this in my October daily actually, but then the eyelet I used is a little bit small and it was getting stuck. I can turn the page, but you know, it was getting stuck. So I didn't want to undo it because I had already put my ribbon and everything. I had put the ribbon inside the hole before I put the eyelet, and so it's already nice and adhered, and you know, it's done. So I didn't want to, and I'm sorry about the noise. I guess the gardener is here. And anyway, so yeah, I think we'll see if I actually put this in my October daily. But as you can see, I put my little shaker bits in there, and I also used my confetti punch, Mickey head confetti punch die cuts. And I love these little 2x2s, and they are in the digital kit, so that's the reason why I went ahead and looked for the sleeve. That's actually in my one of my planners. And when I was starting up on doing planners, but I didn't get very far. But anyway, I took one of the sleeves there, and that's why you have these teeny tiny ones. So I think I'm gonna have to pick up some of these because I love these cute little 2x2 elements. Just so stinking cute. And then I did the Mickey head, and again I'm gonna put my thickers here, which I decided not to in this case because, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna put this in my October daily. And then the back looks like that. I just went ahead and put another one so that, you know, you don't see the one in front, you don't see it through the sleeve. And I did that. Then just, you know, added some more charms. So isn't that cute? I think Ikebug's so cute. I haven't done one of these pocket letters in years, and it was fun to kind of go back to it. And then the last thing I want to share is last night I was also creating some policy envelopes, and this is what I came up with, you guys. I think it's so adorable. And again, I sized it, so I made my envelope a little bit different than I would normally do my policy envelopes. As you can see, it doesn't have a line over here in the middle, and that's because I had to use two sheets of paper to accommodate the size, because I want everything to be, you know, the size of my, you know, each sheet that's in the October Daily. And so I made a pulse envelope, and then I just put the holes there. And so I did it in this yellow just to match the collection. It's pretty close, so and then I did the little Mickey head, so I used my punch, and then this is actually double-sided just to reinforce it. It's double-sided, so I punched this out twice, and then glued them together, put the hole and then the eyelet. And so you want to do this before you actually glue everything in. I start by gluing the bottom, and then I'll go ahead and do my holes before I glue the sides. So it's actually glued from the sides, from the two sides here, and then I just added some twine. See? And I have a big bite, so it does reach, even because the first time I did it, I had glued this down already, and so my big bite, luckily, you know, can reach down here. So I just put this through like this, but that's the harder way. So that's why I'm telling you guys, if you're gonna do this, to don't glue the sides yet. Do your holes first and your eyelets, because once you have it assembled, it's harder to create your hole and, you know, having to set the eyelet. But look, it came out so stinking cute. And then I just attached, you know, one of my little tassels. I just made a knot. This is for me, so it's no big deal. So I don't really have to finish it if I don't want to. But there's one, and then I made it in this blue, and I ran out of this beautiful paper, so I had to, as you can see, these are two different papers here. Oops, why do I have this black? Is that ink? So I did that one, and I did gold Mickey heads. I think they're so adorable. So the back is, you know, blank. Again, I can still decorate it, and I am just gonna keep it like this. And then here's a purple one with the blue, and it just winds like that. It's really cute, right? I think they came out so stinking cute. So that is my share for today for my Halloween in July. I hope you guys got some wonderful ideas. And yes, hopefully I'll have my October daily ready to show you in October. That's why I wanted to start early. But stay tuned. I do have you know, more projects to bring to you. And even though July is ending, I'm probably still gonna keep making Halloween stuff. I may do some other projects though. And of course, stay tuned for my guest design team projects as well. So that is it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.